Morning, first years. Page 223 here, question 12. I just want to go through this question here with you. Right, question 12 says that x plus 3 is a factor of x squared plus 7x plus 12. You're asked find the other factor. So you'll do this using your box method. So do out your box. You have your x squared, right, from up here. Put in x squared into the first box. Into the last box, you put in 12. Now the problem is that you know that these two here must add to 7x, but I don't know what these two numbers are going to be. I am told that x plus 3 is a factor, so I put that up here. Now I'm doing the reverse to what I've done previously. I'm going to divide, so I say x multiplied by something out here gives me x squared. So what do I multiply x by to get x squared? I multiply it by x. So you put in x here. Okay, it's because x times x is x squared. Okay, now I can say x times 3 then is 3x. Right? And I can say 3 divides into 12 4 times. So 4 must have to go out here. Right? And it's a plus 4. Okay, so I know that 4 by x is 4x. Now, is that correct? Is 4x and 3x equal to 7x? Yes, it is. So what are my factors? My factors then are x plus 3 onto x plus 4. So they're my factors, x plus 3 onto x plus 4. Right, we'll go back over that again. So I'm told that x plus 3 is one of the factors of x squared plus 7x plus 12. I'm asked to find the other factor. So I put this into the box, the first term and the last term, and I know the two middle terms must add to 7, but I don't know what they're going to be yet. So I can put my x squared and my 12. I put my x plus 3 up here on top, which is one of my factors, or you could put it on the side, it doesn't matter. So I've put it on the top, so I say x multiplied by something gives me x squared, so that something has to be x. So when I multiply x by x, I get x squared. Now multiply your x here by 3, that gives me 3x, right? Well, I know if the two of them have to add to 7, this has to be 4x. But what you could also do is you could say 3 divides into 12 4 times, so the 4 goes out here. So 4 by x is my 4x, 4 by 3 is 12. And when I tidy up this and add like terms together, I get x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals, that's my equation. Okay. Next question here is question 13, and it's x plus 1 times x plus a, and you're asked to find what that value there is. Again, when they're multiplied out, you're told you get x squared plus 8x plus 7. Similarly again, draw your box. Your first box you have x squared, your last box you have 7. These two here must add to 8x. I know one of them is x plus 1, so I say x multiplied by something gives me x squared, so that there has to be x. Okay, so then multiply x by 1, I get 1x. 1x and what gives me 8x? 1x and 7x. Or you can say 1 divides into 7, 7 times. So that's plus 7 out there. So 7 by x gives me 7x. And my 7x and my 1x gives me my 8x. So what is the value of a? A is plus 7 because it's x plus 1 times x plus 7. So if I write it down here, x plus 1 times x plus 7. So therefore that there is my a. A is equal to 7. That's what you were asked. Okay, now I'm going to give you some more of these to do for homework. And I'll put them in.